DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Yo. What's good? With another banging reaction. You already know what time it is. Yo, gang, you see what we are dealing with today? We're back in at the music lab. And today, we're there back. We're there back with a person, you know. We're bad. And then a bad little bit. You know, bad half a way. Then a bad medium and a quarter. Then bad fully. You see me? So we're there with none other than fully bad. Yeah, man, and I dropped a song like what? A couple hours ago entitled The Fight. Should have been dropped the reaction, but you don't know me. So I take my time and go and build and relax, man. Make sure so me get the reaction them done proper and with the good quality we like. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, we're not going to vibe much longer. Yeah, but one of them fully bad. The Fight. And from the title of this, guys, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to talk about the whole fight going on with the Clash or people like Foota Hype and Kyra fight against him. I'm not sure where he's going to touch on, but it sounds like he's going to speak about the struggles that he went through in life or in the music industry. So now the vibe much longer, gang. Let's jump right in the track. This is fully bad. The Fight. Let's get it.
You see, if me respect you and you don't respect me,
yeah.
go suck your mother.
Straight.
Not your godmother, your stepmother.
Your real mother.
Real mother.
Oh, you mean, man? I know you're not gonna say so that. I want to hear, bro. That's facts. I was thinking in my head, bro. Yeah, not your your real mother. Facts.
Your mother. Not your godmother, your stepmother. Your real mother.
That's facts.
Once you great, them gon' fight you. Not even Tyson no fight, sir.
Yeah.
The future.
Shit, is that a black and my smoker Jamaica, bro? How where the bongo jungle. Nah, man. No, fully. Come here, bro. You some black and mile at Jamaica where we legal, bro. Nah, man, I don't follow too much, bro. At this point, we don't follow too much. Man, in a pullover, I'd smoke a black and mile. That is the epitome of follow fashion, bro. There's Jamaica hat, you know? And you're not hoodie, you're not pullover, pause. You see me and you smoke black and mile. We not deal with black up, bro. Come on, bro. We don't follow too much, bro.
So great, them gon' fight you. Not even Tyson no fight, sir. The future shame any light bulb.
Boy, man, say nothing. Tyson no fight, so dog. So much fight I got you, bro. Tyson was a professional boxer, man. Fight for a living. You understand that?
One hope, don't tell them a time now. No. Who crab in a barrel a try carry down. Them dead when the big whip drive down.
Yeah.
Gun in a lap and four window wind down.
Woo! Like this, bro. Please tell me so the first go crazy, bro. Please. Yeah, man.
Them dead when the big whip drive down. Gun in a lap and four window wind down. Me nah blood clot die young.
No, sir. That's facts. Yeah, man, them dead when the big whip drive down. You see me, I say, yeah, man, gun in a lap, four finger, wind down, brother. We are gonna do the dirt. You see me?
No need you fi tell me some.
Well, I'm pull that up back.
I carry down. Them dead when the big whip drive down. Gun in a lap and four window wind down. Me nah blood clot die young. No need you fi tell me some great. Stacking up your dollars, fucking up this place. My father got you alone, some tears, mount a fight, my
yeah, man, I mean, I need you to tell me. I need to tell some great. Stacking up this dollar and mash up a place, bro. I mean, I need you to tell me. Tell me, say me great, bro. I'm here, man.
No, we never race. Me no forget my place. Make it be Nelly race. Sika select key. Badness a win name. Hard work and faith. Oh, you mean my prayer? Man, I go get her from in a picking the days. Star in my blood.
That's a fact. Go get her from young, bro. You see me? Yeah, man, that's a fact, bro. Boy, yeah, man, come on.
Man, I go get her from in a picking the days. Star in my blood.
Fully.
Nah, me no give up. She say me sweet, my born in a syrup.
God.
Me stay clean the 40.
Once a star in my blood, no, me never give up. She say me sweet like syrup, bro.
Me no give up. She say me sweet, my born in a syrup.
God.
Me stay clean the 40, dirty up.
Yeah.
So you no see a man if I'm a shot.
Clean.
My heart no trouble dot.
Stay clean, but the 40 dirty up, brother. This is the money, design the name, brand upon me shot, brother. To no man. Come on.
So you no see a man if I'm a shot.
Clean.
My heart no trouble dot. Me see my goal, me want it and me go.
Yeah.
Buy the whip and park it on the front.
Yeah.
Once you great, them gon' fight you.
Man, my heart no, man say my heart no trouble dot. Mean say yo, my heart and dirt don't mix mingle. You see, my heart clean. You see, You know what I want and go for that. I want to you. Hey, come on.
Not even ties in a fight, sir. The future shame any light bulb. One hope don't tell them a time now. Who crab in a barrel a try carry down. Them dead when the big whip drive down. Gun in a lap and 4 win.
No crab in a barrel thing, bro. We don't listen to nobody I try to bring me down when I try to elevate and try to do a thing. You see me? Yeah, man. No crab in a barrel.
Me nah blood clot die young. Shoot down the gatekeeper. One space in ya that they make with.
Shoot down the gatekeeper. Walk to them bad foot and you're dead.
Can't make the greatness stop. We are creating pack.
Yeah.
Born bless.
That's right.
Them have to respect the move. Young youth.
Yeah.
And me improve.
Yeah.
And me nah worry again. We bring food and no keep me.
Me not worry again. Bring food. Keep mute, brother. Stop your talking, brother. Not shut up your mouth even though I've been through. And got you for there we were there. Tap it nice. Mummy I get food and I'm alright and all. You see me I say, yeah man, someone mute up. I hear nothing from I need an opinion. You see me? Cause an opinion now help me eat. You see me? Yeah man, now pay my bills and help me eat. You know that go up to them.
Mummy now worry again. We bring food and no keep mute. Yeah. The blessing just a rain down on me. The street cold so me ever have my gun on me.
Yeah.
Custom 40 in a move.
Blessings just a rain down upon me. As we put in the work, I know the blessings them a flow the team. You know, I am body. You see me, I come chat. Cause we never did it when we are struggle. And I try get it. We never did it. You see me?
Rain down upon me. The street cold so me ever have my gun on me. Custom 40 in a move Versace. And if you not book the God, me not go party. Anyway, the song not done, me still attack. Crashy Benz by your ex and I be my park. No fuck you, but you.
Man say, man say, yo, Cashy, where's the Cashy Benz by a X and the Bima Park? Hey, that's where that's where the Marcos say, downgrade that. But man say, yo, in Cashy Bima by X, but the Benz Park. And he saying Cashy Benz by the X and the Bima Park. One of them. But man say, yo, when you see me at the X now, but I still got the Bima or the Benz. You see me? So technically I don't downgrade that by that for you know? Daily. Alright, come on.
Can't get the killer heart. All I redneck and pull down the brick ya fast. One code me and my dog, them not keep apart.
Yeah.
Try know the 9 ball in that clip ya chart. This done a minigun, the killer.
Me don't know what happened, bro. Me don't know for the clash. Me don't know for the freestyle. But somewhere along the way, bro, Fully Bad became like Fully Bad became bad, bro. You might become a bad artist, bro. Hey shit. No, me I listen to him and them listen to him and tune them with a different attention, a different frame of mind, a different. Yeah, man, listen to the dog with a different vibe, you know. You see me? The dog bad, you know. I don't know what happened. What the hell happened, bro? Yeah, like people when things a clash are going ruin in career. Take it from Fully Bad, bro. Cause I don't know, bro. Somewhere in the clash, this nigga became my favorite. I don't know what happened, bro. You see me? Real shit. Like, you know, if after the freestyle, but from the stage performance, I don't know what happened, bro. But I've been seeing Fully Bad. From beginning, I rate the dog so you run out and thing. But I know saying he's a younger artist. But now, dog, you look at him in a different light. Like, how me not know about Fully Bad before this? Like, you see me, I say, I look at the dog in a different light. The man song hard, you know, bro. This is like, man, elevating at the clash, bro. You see me, I say, no care, bro. I have a different appreciation for that.
Have to protect the family and not king alarm. You know. Born for fight, born for win, born for great.
Yeah, man.
Born for bumbuck like.
All them artists, when can't get in local bus and can't get local attention, I'm not afraid run from clash. Look, clash can change you. Clash can change your career. Clash can change your opinions of people listening to you. You see me, clash can change so much things, bro. Like, come on, bro. Real shit.
Hear that, believe. Once you great, them gon' fight you.
Hold on, I Fully Bad, brother, that. The dog gonna say Russian blood clean. A footer? Or coyote? Is in one of them brother dog here?
Evil ties in a fight, sir. The future shame in the light bulb. One hope don't tell them a time now. Who could be in a barrel a try carry down.
Yeah, they look alike. They got the same freaking nose, bro. They got the same brother for real, like. You ever that blood brother? Look at. You know they have the same nose, dog.
One hope don't tell them a time now.
Yeah, but look. See nose it. See nose it. Look on the face. Yeah, but I brother them, man. Why for that? Me nah notice no man. Nobody not coming in my comment section no fuck. You see me? Where you man like
that? In a barrel a try carry down. Them dead when the big whip drive down. Gun in a lap and 4 window wind down. Me nah blood clot
Die young. On to them. Yeah, man. Bad tune. Fully bad. You're bad fully, youth. I'm telling you that for the last time, you know. You're bad fully, man.
Man, I hear that. Hold it up, man. I hear that. No matter what them fight, man, them can't stop the greatness. You hear that?
Fully bad boss.
Uptown.
Tell him.
My ground.
Hello. Fully bad
No
boss.
boy, any boy go around that man, a headshot.
Yeah, man. Fully bad boss, man. Yeah, man. Like BG kind of big man thing. Big man thing. I got him spray ground and everything, easy now. Got the department sipping on some champagne. I look over the hilltop. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I live life. Gated community. Up on the hillside. Come on, man, I live life. Man, you know, don't take it a dog thing. Yeah, man, big up fully bad, bro. Yeah, man, that boss, you know? Fully bad boss, you know? Fully bad boss, it. Stuff where I. Bongo, jungle. Fully bad gone, man. They can't hold him back after this, bro. I'm telling you, the reason I'm saying that because the fully bad that I started listening to like a couple weeks ago when the war started, bro, is not the same fully bad now. No, I have a different appreciation for music. I have a different outlook, a different frame of mind ever since the freestyle and the stage performance. I have a different appreciation for the dog music. Like the dog really do, bro. Like for instance, in freestyle performance really showed you how hard these songs were. Like the man sung them sound hard alive, which is very rare. Yes, it be very rare when they are artists that so fully buster, bro. Now a different appreciation for the dog music and a different frame of mind when I listen to the dog, I know. So I'm just could only imagine how many other people that happened to. So fully bad boss, bro. Fully bad boss, man. I tell you. You see me, fully bad boss. The dog a big man. Give him some time. By next year, time if he continue on the same pace, keep jump some good tune. Yeah, man. People, yeah. Fully bad, big up at themselves, the gang. Let me know anything about this one in the comment section. You see me? If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know, sir. Jambisco done. Say no. Let's chop it up, man. Let's chop it up in the comment section. Do you have a different appreciation for fully bad music? Do you think he elevated since the war started or since the time he been out? Who y'all bringing out the war? You still bringing fully bad DeMarco? Who you bringing in the war? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang, and let me know. Yeah, man, real dope. I'm here for everything. I see everybody evolve and everything. Real dope, man. So next time, gang, you don't know about Jambisco. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
Oh, no, play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shut up selector boy.